Okay, so I'm back. All right, so I reviewed some of the directions on Runless, and it's talked about removing these wires. It's hard to tell exactly what they're talking about because I don't know the definitions of things, and I don't know if they said to remove this, but I'm going to actually try not to touch any of that. I don't want to have to mark it, and I think it's just for clearance, I think. But I did talk about removing the tension sensor. I believe that's this right here. Something I've always been curious about as to whether it works properly or not. Okay. Let's see how that's plugged in. There's gotta be something like that, right? Okay. Very curious as to whether that works correctly. Yes or no? Stopping it. Don't want to take it completely off. Oh. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so that's oil. I'm at the point now where I'm trying to loosen or take off dipstick. That's the right size. Oh, well, this is coming out on the camera, but alright, so that's the dipstick thing. Okay, so what happened last time was I was trying to figure out how to remove this lower cover, and it turns out you have to remove this whatever harmonic, this whole thing right here. So the directions is to bring it to top dead center, which I believe I've done correctly right there if you look at it. And then you go underneath, which is what I'm going to do next, and you take out the master slave cylinder, clutch slave cylinder, and then you install this to lock it, I believe. So I'm going to try that. All right, well, what do? Push it all the way in. And okay, so you have to remove this clamp. I believe that allows this whole thing to back up. Oh yeah. Seems like there's quite a bit of leak. Can I just push it? Push it in like that. Okay, and this comes out. No, I have no idea. Locks it. Yeah.